You don't necessarily need more Spanish words to speak, but you do need sentence frameworks. You see, with just a few reusable sentence frameworks, you can start speaking Spanish confidently and immediately, even on day one. So today is your lucky day because I'm going to show you exactly how to use sentence frameworks to get you closer to fluency. Let's get into it. By the way, soy Profe Don Omar, and I've been teaching Spanish for over 25 years. And I see this problem all the time. Smart adults, hard workers, capable of holding conversations in Espanol, but they still end up freezing when it's time to speak. Not because Spanish is hard, it's just because the starting point was all wrong. So today, let's reset that starting point right now. So the first thing up, what is a sentence framework? Let me explain this in the most simplest way possible. A sentence framework is a sentence with a missing piece. Look at it like this. It's more like a fill-in-the-blank sentence. You don't make a brand new sentence every time you speak, you just replace one word. You're gonna reuse the same sentence and change just one word. I'm telling you, once you see this in English, it makes Spanish that much easier. Now here's the part that most people don't realize. You already speak this way in English. Don't believe me? Let me show you what I'm talking about. I want you to think about this character right here, Brick Tamlin from The Anchorman, The Legend of Ron Burgundy. If you remember in La Película, he says very simple sentences. But those simple sentences work. ¿Por qué? Because they are reusable. Here's the English sentence framework that Brick used in the movie, I love. Now watch what happens when I reuse it. I love rug. I love lamp. I love desk. Now, of course, this isn't the correct way to use that, but we're just using this as an example because it's going to show us how to do this in Espanol, con I like. Now watch what happens when I reuse it. Similar to Brick, I like rug, I like desk, I like music, I like football. I didn't plan, I didn't think, I just reused the sentence. Believe it or not, that's exactly what fluent speakers do, even when it sounds simple. But lock this in. Simple doesn't mean stupid. Simple means reusable. Now, let's take that same idea and move it into Spanish. Here's the Spanish version of the same sentence framework. Me encanta. Me encanta significa I love. Not like a person, but like a thing. Me encanta. Por ejemplo, me encanta la alfombra. Me encanta la alfombra. Me encanta la lámpara. Me encanta la lámpara. Me encanta el escritorio. Me encanta el escritorio. These are the same phrases that Brick used in the movie, but we're just switching them over into Espanol, the same reusable sentence frameworks. Same sentence, different word. Es todo. Eso es español. That's Spanish. Hey, real quick, if you're gaining value from today's video, be sure to like it, hype it, and share it with someone you know trying to become a better and more confident Spanish speaker. Now, let's get back to the rest of the video. So let me tell you why sentence frameworks work so well for adults. Most adults think their problem is vocabulary, but the real problem is this. They don't know what to do with the words that they already know. Sentence frameworks fix all that. They help you stop guessing, stop translating, and start speaking faster. In other words, sentence frameworks give your brain a path, a way out, and a true way to fluency. Let's try another reusable sentence framework usando I like. Por ejemplo, I like pizza. I like music. I like football. Muy fácil. Now, as we did before, let's take this same idea and move it into Espanol. Me gusta la pizza. Me gusta la pizza. Me gusta la música. Me gusta la música. Me gusta el fútbol americano. Me gusta el fútbol americano. Are you getting the hang of it? Bueno. Now check out these two sentence frameworks using I want to and I want. In English, I want to buy a cookie. I want to drink milk. I want milk and cookies. With me right there? Y ahora en español. Mira, quiero comprar una galleta. Quiero comprar una galleta. Quiero tomar o beber leche. Quiero tomar o beber leche. We can use tomar o beber, depende de la región o el país. So you can use tomar o beber to say to drink. Otra vez. Por ejemplo, quiero tomar leche o quiero beber leche. Y también quiero leche y galletas. Quiero leche y galletas. Bueno, vamos a practicar juntos. We're going to practice together. Because your day one starts ahora mismo, I'm going to give you the English sentence framework and you give me the Spanish sentence framework. Let's try it out here. Aquí está la primera oración. I like coffee. En español, dime la oración. I like coffee. Exacto. Me gusta el café. Me gusta el café. La próxima. I like music. I like music. En español. Exacto, muy bien. Me gusta la música. Me gusta la música. What about I like classical music? Me gusta música clásica. Me gusta música clásica. Now, these next two sentences require an action. All right, you're doing something. Mira, I like to travel. Aquí está la palabra, viajar. I like to travel. Together, let's look at it. Me gusta viajar. Me gusta viajar. Y la próxima, I like to read. En español, la palabra de acción es leer. To read, leer. La oración en español, me gusta leer. Me gusta leer. Mira, that wasn't studying, that was speaking. And if you don't know which phrases you should start out with as a beginner, I'm creating the ultimate power phrase program. It's 96 beginner phrases arranged in context for basic conversations. Plus, there's recorded video where I walk you through each of the phrases, and I even provide a game plan for you to maximize your growth with the phrases and much, much more. So click the link in the description below to get on the wait list today. Now, let's get back to the rest of the video. So let's do a quick recap of what we covered so far. A sentence framework is a reusable sentence with a missing part. You reuse it instead of building from scratch. And remember when I said earlier, you already do this? You already reuse sentence frameworks in English. All we did today was move that same information into Spanish. But I do want to make something perfectly clear. Sentence frameworks won't make you fluent overnight, but they do remove fear, they remove confusion, and most importantly, they get you speaking Spanish now. Grammar still matters, just not on day one. Look at it like this. We want to build your confidence first and then develop your accuracy later. I always like to leave you with a Profe Power Tip, and today's Profe Power Tip is this. Fluency isn't built by learning more. Fluency is built by reusing what you already know. Frameworks first, everything else later. Now, coming up in the next video, I'm going to show you how to stack these same reusable sentence frameworks into full conversations. And after that, I'll show you how to turn them into questions. If this finally made Spanish feel doable, then click right here and I'll see you over there. Soy Profe Don Omar, your guide on how to speak Spanish now. Nos vemos.